Howdy folks, Jolly here. Just going to show you on this side, trying to do this hammock repair. So as I can see, this is looped on this side. It's a little buggy out. Yeah. That's alright. It's getting time to get some bug spray. Okay, so looks like it's going to run through here. And since it's doubled up, I'm running this double line through. Black flies are just driving me nuts here. It's one of the joys of being outside, but now that it's getting warmer, it's too warm to be in my car. And, or SUV, car, SUV, same stuff. So, but the ground's dry, so I can get into my tent, but I don't have my tent with me. So instead, I am working with what I got. And what do I got? I got my hammock. My hammock has a bug net, so what I'm thinking is I just gotta get this fixed, and then I can be relaxing outdoors. Alright, we'll get it through here. I'll loop it through, and then I'll show you the finished product after, okay? And we'll see how it goes. Not exactly sure I'm going to attach it to, but you know, this is the first step, all right? So here we go. Now, of course, I got all this loose string. All right, I'll show you the finished product because I got to pull the whole friggin' loop through here now. What a mess. What a mess, but that's okay. That's all part of the adventure. That's one of my favorite expressions. All the stuff that goes wrong on trail, right? Just becomes part of they're the stories you tell afterwards. They're what makes it interesting. All right, I got a real mess here. Let's see what the finished product looks like. All right, folks. Well, we don't actually have. Let's see if I can get this back into focus. Okay, so I gotta get my hand here first. We don't have any. Let's burn this off and trying to get the end of it here. Eh? Clean up the end of this rope. I don't actually have any. My buck knife, I don't know what happened to it. So this is how we're cutting our rope here. Just gonna get rid of the melt. I'm trying to burn myself while I do it. There's one through. Oh, not quite. Ow! There you go. Ow! Look. Yeah, you didn't see it was melted on right there. Yikes. You get to see me make the mistakes in real time. Alright, now this piece turned out relatively well, I think. Get her hung up here in a few minutes, but here, I'll show it to you. Look. I don't know how to do knots, so that's on my to learn list. More than just what makes sense in the moment, which is always the same old. Oh, mosquitoes are bugging me again. Some more black flies right now. I'm saying mosquitoes, but it's definitely more black flies. There we go. Ouch! Did it again. I'm just trying to get this pinched off so it doesn't all fray apart, but whatever. All right, let's see how this turns out. All right, folks, a little bit of a delay because I realized I didn't have my bug net, so I went and got that. But look, not too bad, eh? Probably a little bit of overkill on the knots, but I really don't know what I'm doing with that, but it's looking good, looking really good. So that's what that side looks like. We'll go see what it actually looks like over here. Bit cleaner. But you know, you get what you get, you don't get upset. All right, I just realized I'm missing some pieces again, so I'm gonna try to get this set up. Maybe I'll try to give you a look at the finished product here. Well, I'm here. Whoa, just tripped over something. Show you the lake. It's pretty nice right here at the moment. Much calmer than last night, eh? I'm not sure if you've seen the video or if I've posted it, but last night it was much windier and you could hear the water. Tonight it is calm. It's beautiful over there. I don't know what you can see. Let's see what I can get on the zoom. Okay, cool. Big zoom. You can see it almost looks like it's raining over there, but also the sunlight or the sunset. It's beautiful. All right, folks. Try to get that finished setting up the hammock and I'll show you the finished product. Peace. All right, folks. Finished product here. Just chilling out. I want to show you. This is what it looks like under here with the tarp when it's all sealed up. It's not too shabby, eh? Keeps it nice and dry. Just in case of rain. I'm trying to get a good angle on this, but it's kind of challenging. But you get the idea, right? This sharp tarp keeps all the problems out. I'm gonna get under the mosquito net. Now I'll give you one last little bit of information here. A mosquito net does not stop mosquitoes from biting you if you're right up against it, right? So keep that in mind. That's why I really appreciate this underquilt for a few reasons, or like it's something underneath, because the mosquitoes will bite you right through it. I once woke up after my arm was against a tent. I couldn't even count the mosquito bites. It was awful. All right, that's the hammock repair. Over and out. Peace.